The concept of good machinability is a critical aspect of metal cutting operations. It calls for a reliable cutting action, long tool life, and effective chip formation. Machining is usually a large part of finished component cost, so it is essential that it is optimized, but without sacrificing other properties. The cutting process must generate short and easy-to-handle chips. The problem with long chips is that they tangle around the tool and workpiece, clog machinery, and damage the tool. To improve machinability, sulfur is traditionally added to form sulphides that appear as elongated inclusions. They act as stress razors that help the chips break into short pieces. At the same time, these sulphides are detrimental to fatigue performance. An alternative approach is to modify the inclusions during the steel-making process. This requires precise control and the addition of minor elements to the melt. The long sulfide inclusions are then transformed into spherical calcium containing oxysulfide soft inclusions. This is the basis of Ovacco's M-steel process. Compared with conventional steels, it offers improved machinability during production and better fatigue performance for the finished product. However, where optimized fatigue performance is critical, a clean steel approach is required. So what is the secret behind this improved machinability? Well, to understand this, we need to look closer at the point of contact between the tool and the workpiece. What we see when studying the face of the insert is that the M-steel inclusions create a protective layer between the tool and the chip interface. This is what reduces wear on the tool and extends its life. The protective layer also helps prevent heat transfer from the deformation process of the workpiece to the tool. This is really important as the temperature of the cutting tool limits its performance. With M-steel, speeds and feeds can be optimized, sometimes with the visible effect of metal chips glowing. This reduced heat transfer makes it possible to achieve higher productivity and better production economy. It will also help to better enable machining of steel in hardened condition. Further, automated processes require reliable, predictable performance, and M-steel achieves just that. M-steel is an alternative way to achieve high machinability as compared with traditional methods of simply adding sulfur. This is achieved by careful inclusion engineering and facilitates machining operations with higher cutting speeds, more predictable and longer tool lives, and easier chip formation. Replacing conventional steel with M-steel can lower overall machining costs by some 30%, boosting both productivity and profitability.